Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove cloned apps on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung Galaxy A54. So just go ahead and then open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on advanced features. Now scroll down the advanced features page, locate dual messenger. Now to remove cloned app on your A54 5G, just locate where you see dual messenger apps, then toggle all of this, then you see uninstall, click on it, tap on install, and if you want to keep your data, check keep app data, otherwise uncheck and tap on install. And then if you go back to the apps menu, you see the cloned apps removed. You see that? So that's exactly how to remove cloned app on Samsung A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.